Welcome to AI Frontiers. Today's episode explores AI's autonomous frontier, synthesizing 15 papers from July 11, 2025. Breakthroughs in AI agents, reasoning, and real-world applications are examined, presented by AI Frontiers. This presentation offers a guided tour of AI innovations. 15 cutting-edge papers reshaping AI's future are dived into. Themes such as collaborative agents and self-correcting reasoning are uncovered. Insights on findings, methods, and standout studies are provided. Exploration includes how AI could diagnose diseases or design solutions. Listeners are encouraged to stay engaged by considering what AI breakthrough excites you most. The field of computer science, artificial intelligence is overviewed. AI builds machines that learn, reason, and decide like humans. It draws from math, psychology, and philosophy for intelligent systems. AI powers revolutions in healthcare, autonomous vehicles, and more. Focus is placed on large language models and independent agents. Challenges like safety, ethics, and efficiency are addressed in this rapidly evolving field. Research themes begin with AI agents and collaboration, building digital teams. A key theme is AI agents working together on complex tasks. Multi-agent systems use language models for planning and design, as in Masudi et al. Agents debate ethics and generate code, like for solar water filters. This overlaps with safety for high-stakes collaboration. Evidence from papers shows virtual brainstorming boosts creativity. Next, research themes cover advanced reasoning and self-correction, where AI thinks deeper. Focus is on AI improving logic through self-reflection and feedback. Introspection allows agents to critique and refine thoughts, as in Sun et al. Reinforcement learning integrates rewards for better theorem proving, as in G et al. Abductive reasoning is explained, inferring causes from effects like detective work. Papers demonstrate self-correction reduces errors in math and puzzles. Research themes continue with safety, ethics, and multimodal applications, emphasizing trustworthy AI in practice. Alignment of AI with ethics and handling diverse data types are emphasized. Multimodal models fuse text, images, and graphs for diagnosis. Knowledge graphs connect symptoms for rare disease accuracy. Risks like crypto access in agents are addressed for safer autonomy. Studies on alignment methods resisting threats support this. Research themes conclude with interconnections and implications, tying it all together. Themes overlap. Agents use reasoning and safety for real-world wins. Chain of thought prompting involves step-by-step reasoning explained simply. Potential exists for hybrid AI solving global challenges like sustainable design. Evidence across papers shows AI evolving from tools to partners. Consideration is given. What if combining these leads to ethical, creative machines? Key findings provide critical insights across papers. Introspection boosts agent performance by 8% and cuts costs by 58%. As in Sun et al., theorem-proving success rises 3.2%, with reinforcement learning. As in G et al. Rare, disease diagnosis accuracy hits 90% via knowledge graphs. Multimodal models reduce georeferencing errors to 1 kilometer. Alignment methods enhance safety without losing utility in agents. Methodology synthesizes approaches in the papers. Common use is made of large language models for prompting and generation. Reinforcement learning rewards correct actions like training with feedback. Multi-agent frameworks simulate team interactions via graphs. Verifiers provide real-time error checks in reasoning tasks. Benchmarks test accuracy across text, images, and logic puzzles. The first selected research paper is Introspection of Thought Helps AI Agents by Sun et al. It is selective for novelty in embedding self-reflection for efficiency. The objective is to enable agents to self-correct without external loops. The method involves the ENOT framework using prompts for internal critique. Findings show a 7.95% performance boost and 58.3% token savings. The impact represents scalable reasoning, transforming AI autonomy. The second selected research paper is LENABELL-PROVER-V2: Verifier Integrated Reasoning for Formal Theorem Proving via Reinforcement Learning by G et al. It is chosen for impact on formal verification and self-correction. The objective is to improve large language models, improving theorems with feedback. The method fine-tunes with rewards from the Lean4 verifier. Findings indicate a 3.2% higher success on the MINIF2F dataset. It advances reasoning direction for bug-free systems. The third selected research paper is Agentic Large Language Models for Conceptual Systems Engineering and Design by Masudi et al. It is selected for representativeness of multi-agent design innovation. The objective is to automate engineering with collaborative agents. The method uses multi-agent graphs for requirements and code generation. Findings reveal richer designs and 100% code compatibility in tests. The novelty paves the way for AI in creative, practical engineering. Future directions outline next steps in AI research. Hybrid systems combining introspection and multi-agents are proposed for efficiency. Reinforcement learning is to be scaled with better energy use and datasets. Interdisciplinary work on ethics and neuroscience is encouraged for inclusive AI. Biases and risks in autonomous agents must be addressed. Potential exists for AI tackling global challenges like disease curing or design. AI synthesis and review explain how this deck was created. It was synthesized using GPT-Grok with model GROK-4-0709 for content generation. TTS synthesis was handled via DeepGram for audio elements. Image generation was performed using Google for visual aids. It underwent review by a human expert. Note that some oversights may exist. All references are provided for verification. Subscribe and channel info. Invite joining AI Frontiers. Subscription to the YouTube channel is encouraged for more AI research insights. The title is AI Frontiers. The description highlights staying updated on cutting-edge papers and discussions. Hit subscribe now and turn on notifications. In this podcast, we bring you the latest breakthroughs in computer science and AI, straight from arXiv preprint server. From neural networks to quantum computing, we simplify complex research so you can stay ahead. Whether you're a developer, researcher, or tech enthusiast, AI Frontiers keeps you informed daily. Thanks for listening. If you enjoyed this episode, subscribe for daily updates. See you tomorrow with more cutting-edge AI insights. Disclaimer: this video uses arXiv preprintserver.org content under its API terms of use. AI Frontiers is not affiliated with or endorsed by arXiv preprintserver.org.